Welcome to this in-depth video overview of the Scrum Guide, the official guide to the Scrum framework, one of the most popular Agile methodologies. In this video, we'll delve into the key concepts of Scrum, including its principles, roles, events, artifacts, and rules. We'll also explore how Scrum can be used to develop and deliver complex products in a fast and efficient manner. Scrum is a framework for developing and delivering complex products incrementally and iteratively. It is a flexible framework that can be adapted to a wide variety of projects, including software development, product management, marketing, and even healthcare. Scrum is based on the following principles. Embrace change. Scrum teams are constantly adapting to changing requirements. Focus on value. Scrum teams focus on delivering working product that is valuable to customers. Deliver frequently. Scrum teams deliver working product frequently, typically in iterations of 2 to 4 weeks. Empower self-organization. Scrum teams are self-organizing and cross-functional. Respect. Scrum teams respect each other, their customers, and their stakeholders. Scrum is based on 5 core values. Focus. Scrum teams are focused on delivering value to customers. Openness. Scrum teams are open about their work and processes. Commitment. Scrum teams are committed to delivering the product backlog. Respect. Scrum teams respect each other and their stakeholders. Courage. Scrum teams have the courage to make decisions and adapt to change. Scrum has 3 key roles. Product owner. The product owner is responsible for the product backlog, which is a prioritized list of features and requirements for the product. The product owner works with stakeholders to gather and prioritize requirements, and they work with the development team to ensure that the most important features are delivered first. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is responsible for facilitating the Scrum process and removing impediments to the team's progress. The Scrum Master is not a manager, but rather a facilitator who helps the team to work together effectively and achieve its goals. Developers. In the Scrum team, developers are individuals dedicated to producing a functional increment in each sprint. The team is self-organizing and cross-functional, meaning that it has all of the skills necessary to deliver the product. The team works together to plan and execute sprints, and they are responsible for delivering the product backlog items that they committed to in the sprint planning meeting. Scrum has 5 key events. The sprint. A sprint is a time-boxed iteration, usually 1 to 4 weeks, during which a development team completes a set amount of work, resulting in a potentially shippable product increment. It involves sprint planning, daily Scrum meetings, and concludes with a sprint review. Sprint planning. The sprint planning event is held at the beginning of each sprint. The product owner and development team work together to plan the sprint. During this event, the team agrees on the sprint goal, identifies the product backlog items that they will deliver in the sprint, and estimates the amount of work that each item will require. Daily Scrum. The Daily Scrum is a short daily meeting where the development team discusses their progress and identifies any impediments. The Daily Scrum is held to keep the team focused on the sprint goal and to identify any roadblocks that could prevent them from achieving their goals. Sprint Review. The Sprint Review is held at the end of the sprint. The Scrum team demonstrates the product backlog items that they have completed in the sprint and gathers feedback from stakeholders. The Sprint Review is an opportunity for the team to showcase their work and to get feedback from users and other stakeholders. Sprint Retrospective. The Sprint Retrospective is held at the end of the sprint. The Scrum team reflects on the sprint and identifies ways to improve for the next sprint. The Sprint Retrospective is an opportunity for the team to learn from their mistakes and to improve their processes. Scrum has 3 key artifacts. Product backlog. The product backlog is a list of features and requirements for the product. It is the single source of work undertaken by the Scrum team. Sprint backlog. The sprint backlog, tailored by and for developers, encompasses the sprint goal, selected product backlog items, and a practical plan for achieving the increment. This real-time plan is continuously updated during the sprint, providing enough detail for progress assessment in the daily Scrum. Increment. An increment in Scrum is a working version of a product that is created at the end of each sprint. It is a concrete representation of the product's progress and helps to ensure that the product is developing in the right direction. The increment is essential for measuring progress and making decisions about the product. Scrum is a powerful framework for developing and delivering complex products. It is a flexible framework that can be adapted to a wide variety of projects, and it has been successfully used in a variety of industries, including software development, product management, marketing, and healthcare. Scrum is a great option to consider if you are looking for a way to increase your team's productivity and deliver value to your customers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel to receive more videos on this topic. Thank you.